पीजीटी मैथमेटिक्स GT+ दीवार।
मक्खन सिंह पीजीटी मैथ GT+ का
संदीप कुमार पीजीटी मैथमेटिक्स GT+ सचिन।
दीपक चौहान पीजीटी मैथमेटिक्स GT+ सिरसा।
रंजीत मान पीजीटी मैथमेटिक्स GT+ इस्लासिस।
अनिल कुमार पीजीटी मैथमेटिक्स GT+ ब्योरा।
रमेश सिंह सर पीजीटी मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट।
Trigonometry is the most important department of mathematics, which is used widely and vastly. So, to find the values of different trigonometric functions at different values, we have prepared this model. So, in this model, you can say we have divided this plane into 4 parts, which are called quadrants. That is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrants. So, first quadrant angle is from 0 to 90 degrees. So, with this model, we can find the values of different functions. Especially the values of sine function will be given on y-axis and the value of cos function will be given on x-axis. For example, at an angle of 30 degree, this is angle of 30 degree, so we can see the value on y-axis is this circle intersect this y-axis at 0.5, that is 1/2. So value of sine 30 degree will be 1/2. So on x-axis you can find the value of cos theta at an angle of 30 degree. So this circle divides x-axis at √3/2. So value of cos 30 degree is equal to √3/2. So similarly in second quadrant we can find the values of sine function and cos function. For example, at an angle of 150 degree, so again what we will see, this circle divides, this circle intersect y-axis at 1/2. So value of sine 150 degree will be 1/2 or 0.5, and on x-axis this circle intersect this x-axis at -√3/2. So value of cos 150 degree will be -√3/2. So and so on, we can find the values of any trigonometric functions, especially sine theta and cos theta, at any angle in all the quadrants.
Thank you very good.